Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the Spigen case for the iPhone XS Max. I use this case all the time with my phone because it really protects it well. This case really hugs the phone very well. Even the edges on the screen on top look very well covered, which means that my phone is very well protected. The case is very easy to put on and take off, but also at the same time it's pretty sturdy. I cannot even bend it, as you can see right here. I cannot bend it, so it's not flexible. It's a sturdy case. The buttons on the side for the power button and the volume button, they're very well designed. You don't have to press harder, or it doesn't feel any different than if you were pressing the button directly. I think this is an excellent case that will protect your phone very well, and for the price, you cannot beat that. And that is my point of view.